From Korea's kitchen to your table, one cube captures nature's pure essence with 18 natural ingredients. We would like to introduce 3 key strengths of Olberium broth coin. Strength 1. Made with 18 natural ingredients, capturing nature's pure essence. Every cube starts with 18 carefully selected ingredients, sourced purely from nature. Real ingredients come together to create clean, natural depth. No MSG, no artificial additives, just authentic Korean flavor. Strength 2. Certified by HACCP, trusted for its hygienic manufacturing excellence. Quality secured through in-house testing and global food safety standards. Strength 3. Highly versatile broth, easy to use. 3 minutes to perfection. Simplicity redefined. Just 1 stock ball and water, a rich, clean broth ready in 3 minutes. So simple, anyone can make it perfect. Perfect for soups, stews, and every broth-based dish. 1 cube enhances even the simplest vegetable dishes. Ideal for steamed and braised dishes with rich, natural flavor. Designed to elevate every noodle dish. 2 rich and deep flavors. Experience the taste of Korea in every sip. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us.